Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by identifying the 3 primary exits on City: the East Train Tunnel, the North Sewer Grate, and the rooftop chain roughly 30 meters from the plaza. Move with continuous arm swings and mantle every edge. Avoid long drops that break momentum. If you play with teammates, assign 2 roles to distract the chaser for about 10 seconds while one player clears an exit. Maintain visual contact and call distances in meters. Commit to a single route and rehearse the transitions between mantle, wall push, and grab for consistency. For the sewer route, first approach the north alley and position yourself for a controlled drop of about 15 meters into the grate opening. Use 2 deliberate mantle attempts on the grate rim, then perform 4 quick pillar hops to span the interior gaps without losing swing rhythm. Clear the interior path and push east toward the shadowed exit, timing your teammate distraction to hold the chaser for at least 10 seconds. Keep arms high and reset your swing after each mantle to sustain speed. For a rooftop escape, use the chain run that spans about 30 meters and manage any 3-5-meter gaps with coordinated boosts from 2 players. Assign 1 teammate to bait the chaser into predictable paths while 2 others block sightlines, creating a 10-second window for the runner to cross. Practice quick drops and controlled landings so transitions between roofs and ledges do not cost momentum. Communicate distances and timing out loud. A practice 3-player sequence reduces mistakes and increases successful escapes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.